Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene and today I am coming with you with a hair review. And the hair review I'm doing today is from a company called Luvin Hair Company, and this is what they look like. I have been wearing this hair not working with their company, but wearing their hair for about a year now actually. I follow Malibu Dollface very closely and I always get the best hair recommendations from him because he knows what he's doing first off, and I don't know a lot of what I'm doing. I feel like his reviews are very, very real and he doesn't sugarcoat anything for pay whatsoever. So I really do trust his opinion. So I do follow him for like prices that are in my budget kind of hair. Anyways, let's get into the hair. Like I said, the company is called Luvin Hair Company. I have the hair on right now. This hair is so soft, you guys. So soft. And it's very straight. It also takes really well to curls. Like when I curl my hair, like you guys saw my last video, I had on the blonde color. That's the same hair from the same company, okay? I dyed it blonde and I curled it, and that curls like stayed the entire weekend. And also another thing that takes really well too is color, okay? Because obviously when I order the hair, it comes in black. I do have my hairstylist here that I sent my hair to, and she usually dyes it, and oh my gosh, maybe because she has her license and she knows what she's doing, because I don't do it myself. I'm not playing with that. Like I said, I don't want to spend almost $300 or a little more for me to get my hair, and either it be the company's fault that is ruined or mine. So I try to avoid everything, you know, that's gonna mess it up and take care of it take good care of it as long as possible. This time around I order, the longest one is 12 inches long. This is the 12 inch. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for shorter hair. Usually when I order, I get 20 inches. But I ordered this hair because I wanted something to wear every day and all that stuff. You know, I work with kids and stuff like that. They're not used to like the black girl coming with all her wigs and stuff like that. So I try not to make them confused. Honestly, I wish you guys were here to actually feel the hair. Like, it feels so soft. I normally order 3 bundles plus the frontal because I like my hair being thick, but I don't really use the 3 bundles, but I need to figure out how Malibu Dollface does it. And he is like, sometimes it would have put 5 packs or 5 bundles of hair on one cap. Like, where is the room? Show me, you know what I mean? So yes, but I'm gonna try to fit all the hair on, but I haven't been successful, like, honestly. So I ended up ordering 2 12s and then 1 10 bundle. I'm gonna show y'all the frontal. I love their hair. Like, love their hair. It's hard finding like a good vendor where you can get like straight hair from, but right now they're at like my straight hair company, you know what I mean? But anyways, so this is the frontal. Ooh. And obviously it's ear to ear. If y'all want to see it, I'm gonna look dumb. Yeah, should just wear it like this, right? Just kidding. But yeah, so it's ear to ear. It comes pre-plucked. I don't even think like it's necessarily pre-plucked, and you can customize it to your liking as well, because I feel like regardless if the hair comes pre-plucked, you still gotta pluck it. You know what I mean? Because everyone's hairline is so different. Mine, I barely have hair, so I always try to, you know, get like a lot of hair off so it looks like mine and it looks natural. And you don't even have to like match it to your exact hairline. You can more so match it for it to look natural, because that's the most important part about it. Even though you know it's a good thing you're not leaving your hair out, obviously nowhere near perfect to, not even perfect, but as good as a lot of the people I watch. But my hopes are I do get to catch up and, you know what I mean, be on trend and stuff like that. You know, I'm a little late on the wig wagon, but I'm learning, you know what I mean? And for just starting, I feel like I've came far and I could only get better. Also, when you order the hair, they're really fast. Like, what did I order my hair recently? Gosh, I don't remember. But you usually get it within 3 to 4 business days. And the fact that it's coming all the way from China, like, that's a big deal. Like, they are speedy shipping that stuff to you. I would highly recommend this company. Like, highly recommend them, because their hair is so good. Everywhere I go all the time, Snapchat, in person, people are constantly asking me what hair I have So like I said, once again, the company that I ordered the hair from is Luvin Hair Company. But yeah, I'm gonna post a link for y'all to click on it and check out the hair. If you don't trust my opinion, go look on Malibu Dollface channel and you will see that he also has the hair. And he was loving it, loving it. Anyways, thank you Malibu Dollface for your recommendation, and I'm glad I tried the company, and just good to find like an honest company on Aliexpress. All right, y'all, with all that being said and done, if I was to rate the company, honestly, I would say 10 out of 10, because like I said, I haven't had any problems, no shut-ins, no color fading, no hair loss, nothing like unnecessary, especially since it's straight hair. You don't expect a lot of crazy stuff to happen with straight hair, so it's doing what straight hair should be doing. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for stopping by at my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to click the bell. That way you can get notifications every Monday from me when I post new videos. Don't forget to share this video as well and leave comments down below if you have any suggestions, any other hair companies. I would love to try it. I'm currently looking for good curly hair. So if y'all know somewhere, please let me know, because I don't know, I'm kind of skeptical right now. So yeah. Or tell me a hair company you're loving currently that I obviously am clueless about. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys!